Hello everyone, welcome to Marvellous Maths on Friday, Fab Friday. Wow, we've got through the whole week again, haven't we? I know you've all been working hard at home and it was nice to see some people when we delivered the packs this week, and I've had some lovely emails as well, so thank you everyone. Keep working super hard, looking, listening, learning. What a great team you are. Now we're going to have a look at our fabulous number 8 again today. But before we do that, I thought we might practice some counting to begin with. Okay, and maybe your mums and dads and people at home won't know our little tricks for counting the teen numbers. So shall we count to 10 together first? And then the second time, let's count up to 20 with our angry teens, shall we? And show our mums and dads how we do it. Are you ready? Are you set? I'm going to count quite quietly so you can sound quite loud above me. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We said we'd stop at 10. So we counted all the way up to 10. Brilliant. Now the next 10 takes us up to 20, doesn't it? So let's start at 1 again, but we're going to count all the way up to 20 with our teen numbers, those numbers that come above 10. Let's see if we can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, we have our cup of tea at 20, don't we? But we've got those angry teens in the middle, haven't we? Like those teenage children. I can just imagine all your grumpy faces when we do that. Why don't we try to count on another 10? So we've counted to 10, we've counted to 20. Now let's see if we can count up to 30. So after 20, we then have the 1, 2, 3 pattern starting again in the numbers. So are you going to join in with me? Let's see if I can hear you. Okay, nice and loud and nice and clear. We'll start from 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Another cup of tea at 30. Fantastic. So we counted 10, 10 more to 20 and another 10 up to 30. Well done, super counting today. Fantastic. I wonder if you have been having a go at the doubling in your pack. Did you have a go at that before? Should we just practice those on our fingers before we do our number 8? Let's do all our doubles up to 5, shall we? Okay, we can do it with our fingers. So, double 1 is 2. Double 2 is 4. Double 3 is 6. Double 4 is 8. And double 5 is terrific 10. Well done. Great pattern there. So yes, we've been thinking about number 8 this week, haven't we? This is our number 8 on the Numicon with its 8 holes. 4 in a row, 4 in a row. We know double 4 is 8, don't we? But did you know 4 twos is 8? 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. That makes 8. Who's this character here? Do you know who this is from the number blocks? What do they call the number 8 character? It's Octoblock, isn't it? Do you hear that little bit at the beginning that says oct, octo, oct? That means 8. Because remember, we said our 8-sided shape. I'm looking through the octagon, aren't I? That's got 8 sides. And what's that creature from the sea with 8 legs, 8 wibbly legs? It's an octopus. So oct means 8. An octoblock has indeed got 8 blocks. I wonder if you've had a look at the number the number blocks 8 show. I think it's in series 2. I'm pretty sure it's series 2. And you could find out what octoblock gets up to. Okay, and it shows you the parts of octoblock, parts of 8 as well. And that's what we're going to think about today. Okay, so on my special magnet board, I have got a special plan. Can you see this big circle here at the top? We've had a little look at this in school, haven't we? This circle is for the whole number. So this week we're learning about 8, aren't we? So I'm going to put 8 children into that hole. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, squeeze them up a little bit so I can get them all in, 7 and 8. There we go. 8 in our whole circle at the top. Now, below we've got 2 groups and they are the parts, and we're going to split our 8 into different parts. Okay, so the first one I'm going to do, I'm going to share my 8 children out fairly, and I'll show you how I do that. Put 1 in here and 1 in there, 1 in here and 1 in there, 1 in here and 1 in there, 1 in here and 1 in there. So my 8 have been split into their 2 parts now. Can you see how many there are in this part? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then how many have I got in this part? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I split them fairly, and I can say 4 is a part, 4 is a part, and 8 is the whole. Right, let's move those children back up to here. Let's move all 8 back up and see if we can split them differently this time. So I'm going to think of a number that is less than 8. What number shall I think of? I think of 3 this time. So I'm going to put 3 of the children over here. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and I'm going to put the rest of the children in the other part. So this is the rest of the 8 are going over here. So how many am I moving over to this side? So 3 is here, and how many is this part? So 3 is a part, but this part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say that important math sentence: 3 is a part, 5 is a part, and 8 is the whole. So we can split 8 into 3 and 5. How about if I move one of these guys over to here? How many have I got left in this group, in this part here? Just 2. So 2 is a part of 8. What's the other part of 8 if 2's a part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 on this side. 6 is a part, 2 is a part, 8 is the whole. Fabulous. Shall I move one more over? Shall we see? So you come over here and just leave your friend on his own. So in this part there is only 1. And on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 is a part, 7 is a part, and 8 is the whole. You're quite right. Okay, So you could have a go at drawing one of these, either on your whiteboard, get your mum or dad or whoever's there, but your grown-up that's helping you to draw one of these little plans. Okay, and you could have a go with your little bits of pasta or whatever you're counting with. Start with 8 in the big hole here, and then split them into the 2 different groups, 2 different sets, and find the different parts of 8. I'll show it you with Octoblock just before we finish. So here's Octoblock, complete all together with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks. Now, if we split Octoblock, if I split her in half like this, oh, there we go. 4 is a part. 4 is a part. 4 isn't there in each. And 8 is the whole. If I only take 3 off this time, I can see 1, 2, 3 this side of Octoblock. How many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 is a part, 5 is a part, 8 is the whole. Let's try with 2. 2 is a part, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is a part, 2 is a part, 6 is a part, and 8 is the whole. Oh, should we just take Octoblock's head off this time? Oh. 1 is a part, and how many have we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 is a part, 7 is a part, and 8 is the whole. Brilliant. So we're finding about 8 and all of its different parts. Keep looking, Fab Fridays. Keep seeing if you can find 8s around you and doing some counting out too. Okay, take care. Brilliant maths today. See you soon. Bye-bye.